You also notice that we start to see a change in the wind direction, coming in more from the west or northwest, so a little bit on the cool side as well. So there's a great swathe of cloud waiting in the wings to affect us around that low. Ahead of us, though, we've got some clearer skies, although it's rather misty and murky around northeast Scotland, down the coast of northeast England, and it will be quite cool here for the rest of today. Thickening cloud too heralds that massive cloud coming in from the Atlantic, bringing some sharp showers into Devon and Cornwall and the Channel Islands later on. But sandwiched in between, it's dry and fine, some bright and very warm late June sunshine. Typically warmer than yesterday, with temperatures into the low to mid-20s, pretty hot in the Midlands, and a steamy 26 for Cardiff and also London. So for the opening day of the Royal Show at Stoneleigh Park, it's going to be a hot 25, but just look at the change for tomorrow. Much cooler and wetter, and still pretty damp and miserable as we go through Tuesday. So we start to see that rain already coming in towards the southwest this evening. It'll make inroads across more southern areas, then up into much of central and northern England and Wales by the morning. Some heavy thundery bursts around. So it's a very different look to tomorrow morning than this morning. Across much of central and northern England and Wales, some heavy bursts of rain around, perhaps edging into Northern Ireland later on too. And then we start to see some brighter skies coming into the south with some heavy showers, and those will gradually edge northwards and eastwards during the afternoon, allowing that rain just to edge into parts of southwest Scotland. But the best of the dry, bright weather tomorrow is going to be over western Scotland, and here temperatures up to around 19 or 20, but very cool and quite breezy in that wet weather in more central areas, highs of just 17 or 18. Now by Tuesday, the low is moving out into the North Sea, but you can still see a lot of showers or longer spells of rain for parts of southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, much of England and Wales. The far northwest of Scotland still bright with temperatures up to around 17 degrees, and a very showery day on Wednesday for England and Wales, starting to become dry and brighter in Northern Ireland and western Scotland. So for Thursday, the wind's going into the west or northwest, allowing things to become dry and brighter in many western and northern areas. Still a few showers, you notice, over much of eastern and central England. And then on Friday, well, the showers by this time mainly confined to northern and eastern areas, much drier and brighter out towards the west. So for tonight, very wet in the south, and then the next couple of days we'll see some wet weather over central areas. Bye for now.